Hi, hi Venkatasai.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yes, this is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I am going to take feedback video from you. Can you introduce yourself, your college, your native?
Yeah, okay. Myself, I'm Venkatasai. I'm from Kadapa. I have recently completed my graduation in Siddartha institutions. After that, I can join in CMTI Institute. It is located in Bangalore, Jayanagar, 4th floor. That's it.
Okay, like how you got to know our CMTI?
My friend referred, ma'am. My friend name is Sivasai.
Okay, like in CMTI, which course you have taken, Venkatasai?
I've taken hybrid mode, ma'am. IDM plus B.
Okay, in interior design management, what and all topics you have covered, and how was the classes were in the hybrid mode?
Yes, ma'am. It's good, ma'am. They told about Cutlist, SketchUp, Revit, AutoCAD. Like that, they are all covered all topics.
Okay, like you have visited sites, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have visited.
Which and all sites you have visited?
I visited Glamwood Interiors and IKEA. Like that, Mantri Serenity, Villas, Constructions. Like that, we have visited lot of sites.
Okay, Venkatasai. For which role you have selected?
Selected in interior designer role.
Okay, like how many rounds were there and what? How you cracked the interview?
Yes, ma'am. There are 3 rounds in that for that position. They have conducted 3 rounds. In first round, they are only the basics of interiors. In second round, I can explain my portfolio and that all. In third round, we can place it.
Like how was the trainers and coordinators towards you?
They respond quickly and sort out any recordings of that interior design problems. They sort out that.
Okay, like what do you want to tell your friends and junior who wanna join CMTI?
Good to join after your graduation. You can join here and you can place 100% in good company.
Okay, congratulations, Venkatasai, for your placement and have a bright future.
Thank you.